Mbere ya mucirithania Esther Kimiru igoti-ini ria Milimani guku Nairobi nikuo ayeri aria mari aruti wira thibitari-ini wa Mama Lucy megukinyitio niguo matuirwo kioho kiao thutha wa kunyitikana na mahitia ma gwikuruhania na thuguri ya ciana hamwe na wagi wa kihariro mari wira-ini.
There is no doubt that the offence included multiple victims, that is children aged 8 days to 3 weeks.
Agikinyaniria itua riake mucirithania ni atuiriire Fred LEPARAN kioho kia miaka 35 guku nake MURUNAWE SELINA ADUNDO agikundikwo kioho kia miaka 2 ona kana faini ya muigana wa ciringi 300,000.
The victim in the offence who were minors were exposed to abuse and human trafficking by the convicts whose main role was to protect them. After exposure to trafficking, the victims have suffered serious physical and psychological effects. One of the victims died after a few months. He was admitted at Imani Children's Home.
Ayeri maikirio ngono miaka 2 mihituku uthuthurio kionania mari mihango-ini ya kwendia mwana wa kahi muigana wa ciringi 300,000 kuria LEPARAN aikirio rumande mwena wa industrial area na ADUNDO agitwarwo njera-ini ya atumia ya Rang'ata.
The first convict or accused targeted the vulnerability of the 3 voiceless minors. He was involved in intricate planning of the offence as demonstrated in various meetings between himself and the purported buyer in Coast Ross.
Mucirithania ona kuri uguo atariirie akinyanirie itua riri thutha wa uthuthuria mukinyaniru gutabanio na kuoneka ati ayeri mari na mahitia.
The first convict used grossly inhuman and degrading means in the commission of the offence of human trafficking and child neglect. Notably, the court is persuaded that the offences under which the accused persons are facing the prescribed sentence, the word liable is used. The court was guided by the case of Daniel Chalo Mwema in the Court of Appeal, where it stated that the word shall be liable do not in the ordinary meaning require the imposition of the stated penalty, but merely express the stated penalty which would be imposed at the discretion of the court.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.